So for the next concept, we are going to discuss about the half term of the binomial expansion. Means normally if we use the formula here, we're going to expand all the terms from the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, the fifth term, and the last term here. So sometimes we don't need to expand all when you want the certain term only. Alright, the certain term only. So we want, let's say we want term number 2. Term number 2 will be this one. So we no need to expand to find out term number 2. We can use directly the formula term number 2. So term number 2. So your formula will be T and then R plus 1 and CR. Then the A power of N minus R, B power of R. Okay, so you have to take notes here. When you have R here, here will be R plus 1 term. Let's say you can see when you have 0, this is first term, T1. When your R is 0, this is T1. When your R is 1, this is T2. When this is R equals to 2, this is term number 3, T3. So that's why in this formula, you can notice that it will be R plus 1 in this position. Alright, so we use this formula to determine general term or a particular coefficient. What is particular coefficient? Let's say the coefficient for Q, maksudnya perkali untuk Q is 10p power of 4. So let's say I want the coefficient of p squared. So the coefficient of p squared will be negative 80 q to the power of 3. Okay, so when you want certain term only, we don't need to expand everything. We just use this certain term formula. And the third thing we can find here is the independent term of x. The independent terms of x is mean x to the power of 0. So you can find any term, alright, without expand everything. Without expand everything here, we just want to focus certain term only.